If you are looking for a workflow that produces decals efficiently, then you cannot afford to ignore this video. Because in this video, we are going to compare two different workflows for making decals to determine which has the best throughput. Is it better to have a single device to print and cut? Or is it better to have separate devices, one to print and the other to cut? You may think that it would be more cumbersome to have two separate devices, taking the print out and then placing it in the cutter. Whereas a single print-cut device would be more convenient and conducive to providing higher productivity. Not to mention it takes up less space in your shop. So let's put them to the test. This competition will compare side-by-side two production workflows. The Print and Cut Duo workflow containing two separate devices, our ColorPainter M64S printer, and the GraphTech FC8600-160 cutter, versus the workflow of a single print and cut device, the Roland SolJet Pro 4 XR640. Once again, the idea here is to find out which workflow, using similar print specs, provides the faster throughput, resulting in higher productivity. The print job for this competition consists of printing 24 decals using a matrix of 4 decals across and 6 decals in length. Both workflows will use the same media, print in 6-pass mode, and bidirectionally using a standard DPI resolution. As for the cutting, both the GraphTech and Roland will cut at their highest speeds. The GraphTech cuts at 40 inches per second and the Roland at 24 inches per second. The time clock will start when both the ColorPainter and Roland start to print, and time clock will stop once the decals have been cut and the media movement has completely stopped. The media has been loaded and the jobs have been sent. To save time, we will switch to a time-lapse video. Besides the ultra-fast print speed, ColorPainter printers are known for consistent, rich, bold, and glossy colors that provide superior durability and cost less per square foot. All ColorPainter printers are backed by engineering quality, the industry's leading warranty, and local service to deliver unmatched quality, durability, and performance. As you can see, the ColorPainter printer is finished printing the job. The print is removed from the ColorPainter printer and is inserted into the GraphTech FC8600-160 cutter, equipped with the ARMS or Automatic Registration Mark sensor system. While the GraphTech is sizing up the media, a second print job has already started on the ColorPainter printer. That in itself cannot be done with a single print and cut device. To begin the contour cut, the tool on the GraphTech FC8600 is aligned over the first registration mark, a fairly simple and easy process, and once the job is sent, the GraphTech automatically locates the registration marks and begins to contour cut the job. Let's go back to the time-lapse video and wait for the winner. The GraphTech FC8600 is finished cutting the job. This means that the Print and Cut Duo is the winner, finishing the job in 10 minutes and 48 seconds, and is in the process of producing another job, while the Roland SolJet Pro 4 XR640 is still processing its first job. Once again, let's return to the time-lapse video and wait for the Roland to finish. The general perception is that an all-in-one print-cut device can save you space, time, and money, but as you can clearly see from this example, you will sacrifice more productivity and profit than you gain by combining the devices. Furthermore, if a majority of your jobs require lamination, you will still need to remove the print from the single print-cut device to laminate, and then reload and scan registration marks again to begin the cut process. And because the all-in-one print-cut device can only process one job at a time, it isn't long before many shops determine that having a separate cutter is advantageous, which completely defeats the purpose of having a single all-in-one solution. Keep in mind that two separate devices provide the ability to run multiple jobs at once. As seen here, while the GraphTech FC8600 is contour cutting, a second job is printing on the ColorPainter printer. You can even produce print-only and cut-only jobs simultaneously, a feat that all-in-one devices cannot achieve. The Roland SolJet Pro 4 XR640 is now finished. Looking at the clock, it took 22 minutes and 10 seconds. Now compare that to just 10 minutes and 48 seconds of our Print and Cut Duo workflow. The winner is clear. The most efficient workflow is using the Print and Cut Duo. It was able to process the same number of decals in the shortest period of time. In fact, our Print and Cut Duo can produce up to double the amount of an all-in-one print and cut device. Having a separate printer and cutter is truly your best choice. It results in increased productivity and, at the end of the day, places more money in your pocket.